everybody, this is Chris in a bed with Random Recess.
Thank you so much for watching. Today we are excited because we are at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, we're really excited. We have a lot of cool stuff planned, riding some roller coasters, Toy Story Land, which is really exciting, can't wait, and looking forward to showing you guys all the cool stuff that there is to see.
All right, we're in.
All right, straight ahead.
All right, we made it to Mickey and Minnie's 5-minute wait.
5-minute wait.
It's a walk.
I'm taking my number, but I want to know.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's do this.
Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See you all there. Well, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, this looks like a lot of paperwork, but sure.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Dick and Jim.
Sure to take good care of our friends.
Bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch. Goofy, wait! This is all my fault. There they are! Oh boy! We made it! Nothing can stop us now!
Well, that concludes my guided...
Runaway Railway is so cute.
I love it. It's one of those trackless dark rides too, so kind of like Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. You go inside the cartoon. It is really fun. It's really cute.
And so we're headed down Sunset Boulevard right now. Tower of Terror is down. Surprise.
Yeah, I guess it's not open yet for the early park entry. So
Yeah,
hopefully it's up later.
Yeah, it's about 7:40 right now. The park's actually not open. It's only for resort guests.
So we're
Still
gonna try
pretty
to
packed.
go see if we can get on Rockin Roller Coaster. It has a 5-minute wait right now. So. Woo! All right, we just finished with the Rockin Roller Coaster. What'd you think?
I am so exhausted, but in a good way. That was one of the most exciting roller coasters. I think it was the music and then, of course, the theming throughout.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a particularly long coaster. There's 3 inversions on it. It
Yeah.
has a launch start, so it is fun. Morning.
Rolly Car Cafe here at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and we're getting the famous carrot cake cookie. Look at this carrot cake cookie sandwich. Look at this thing. So it's 2 pieces of carrot cake sandwiched between cream cheese frosting. So I'm gonna take a bite. This thing is heavy. So hopefully it's carrot cake. It's an oil-based cake, so it's already pretty dense. It's not the best carrot cake I've ever had. I mean, they call it a cookie sandwich because it looks like a cookie sandwich, but it's just cake. It's just carrot cake.
A couple bites. Calling this a cookie is definitely a disservice. It's not a cookie. It's essentially just 2 pieces of cake with icing in the middle. However, it is good. The carrot cake is not dry at all. It's very moist, which makes it a little hard to eat. It's a little sticky, so make sure you have plenty of napkins. I like that the icing to cake ratio isn't like too off. There's just enough icing to complement the cake, not too much of either one. As far as the carrot cake goes, it's not the best carrot cake. You know, I kind of like mine a little more cinnamony, but it is good. And it's not overly sweet, which is nice.
Yeah, we are headed into Toy Story Land.
Yeah. I'm Woody. Howdy, 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 howdy.
There's absolutely no shade here, so that's great. But we're
Yeah,
gonna have a
be
great
warned. Don't. If you're coming in the heat of the day, there's like literally no shade anywhere.
Yeah.
Just, you know.
Well, we have a lightning lane for Toy Story Mania, so hopefully we'll be able to get another lightning lane after we scan at the second touch point. Thank you. Chris, you ready to go down?
Yeah.
You're going down.
First off, you get the action here.
Yeah?
We're gonna be really good at this game.
All right, Chris, this is a kid-friendly establishment.
Practice game.
Go ahead and pull the train. Let's just go to support.
It's tossing time. That's great.
Let the string go back in after you pull. Some targets are worth more than others.
No time for it. Great work, players.
Our final score. All right, Chris wins.
All right. Barely squeaked out a win there.
Yeah, Chris won.
That's only because you were filming. If we weren't filming, you would have
Yeah,
mopped the floor.
we're gonna come back and we're gonna redo this.
My arm hurts. That's
My arm hurts.
If you need a little forearm workout, that's the ride to go on.
We are at Woody's Lunchbox, and I finally got something I've been wanting for a while now, which is the Pop-Tart. Essentially, this is the raspberry tart. Really fancy Pop-Tart. So I'm ready to dive in. I love Pop-Tarts. I know they're kind of gross, but oh yeah, look at that. So it's a shortbread cookie sandwich between raspberry filling, and it's got icing on top. Wow, that is so good. Okay. Y'all know those raspberry cookies you can find in the grocery store? They're shortbread and have raspberry filling inside? That's what it tastes like. If I can find a picture online, I'll put it on the screen. But if you go to the cookie aisle, go to the cookie aisle in your grocery store and just buy that, and that's what this tastes like.
That's a Pop-Tart on steroids. You know, normally with a Pop-Tart, the pastry is really dry. This is super flaky, like a bed said, really buttery. And the filling's really good too. That's delicious. You definitely get one of these when you come. They have rotating seasonal flavors too, so kind of, they always have like one or two staples, and then they have like a rotation depending on what season it is. So make sure to check the menu to see what other flavors they have, but we got the raspberry this time. Q is so cool.
Yeah.
The forest moon of Endor.
Humans and humanoids, I'd like to report that all flights are on time today. I'd like to report that, but I actually have no information regarding your flights.
I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know
C-3PO.
you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. God, Sergeant! Someone could get hurt! Lights me, Norton! No! The transmission.
This is Admiral Akbar. By now you know that your star speeder is carrying an agent vital to our rebel cause.
The spy?
Precisely.
All right, we're cutting through Batu on our way to Slinky Dog Dash. We're going back to Toy Story Land.
That's right. Chewy.
Chewy. Chewy. Oh my God, celebrity sighting.
Ray and Chewy.
Ray and Chewy. Right, Slinky Dog time.
Slinky Dog.
Is that it?
No, one more accelerator.
There's more.
Woo! Oh, we're hanging on.
We're falling.
Let's go. Here we go. I love it. Wheezy.
Oh my God, Slinky Dog Dash was worth
It was
the
so
lightning
much
lane.
fun.
It is
so
so
much fun. You got like 2 boosters, like one at the beginning of the ride and one halfway through the ride. You got some airtime at the end. Like that was pretty cool for a little kiddie coaster.
Honestly, I would wait for this one.
Yeah,
Like-
that was so much fun. Now I know why there's always such a long line.
Yeah. So, oh my God, I kind of want to just use it again and just go again.
Maybe we can come back later in the day once people filter out.
That would be awesome. It's
They say the pro move is to ride this at night.
So we're
maybe,
gonna
we'll
have
see.
to. It's 100 minutes now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right. Should we go over to Tower of Terror next?
Yeah, let's try to get to Tower.
All right.
Chip and Dale having a picnic.
Aw.
He's hungry. Help him out.
Man, Dale's just standing there. Come on, help Chip out. So, fun fact to tell them apart, Chip has a chip in his tooth, and Dale is another word for gap. So, Dale is the one with the gap in his tooth. Tower of Terror.
Heading to Tower of Terror.
Goofy!
How are
What's
you?
up, man? Enjoying the day.
Beautiful day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Do you all have your own squares? Yes. Please remain on those squares until I call your number. Once I call your number, you may enter this elevator, which will be dropping in shortly to take you all directly to your your rooms.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension. The deepest, darkest part of the Tower of Terror.
Tower Pals Parade.
Yeah, we just stumbled upon it. It just started.
Yeah, lucked out. I almost threw up after Tower of Terror. So had that not happened, we would have missed this.
He's good. He's good.
I'm okay.
All right, here they come.
Edna mode. Dale. Yeah. We're in the parade. We're in the parade. Thank you so much for watching our Disney Hollywood Studios video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel. That'll help us out so much, and we greatly appreciate it. We've got more on Hollywood Studios. That'll be a separate video. And until then, we'll see you on the next recess.